Shh! Something slithering through the jungle, long, silent, and powerful. It's a python. Welcome to the secret life of one of the world's largest snakes.
Hello, BrightMinds explorers. Are you ready to slither into adventure? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more wild journeys with amazing animals. Meet the python, a super long, super strong, and totally amazing snake. Pythons are one of the biggest snakes in the world, but guess what? They're not venomous. That's right. They don't use poison to catch prey. Instead, they use something even cooler: strength. There are many types of pythons, like the Burmese python, reticulated python, and ball python. Some can grow longer than a school bus, up to 30 feet long. Can you imagine a snake that long? That's one long noodle. So how do pythons hunt? They're ambush predators. That means they hide and wait. Once their prey comes close, wham! They strike fast and wrap their strong bodies around it in a big squeeze. This is called constriction. Pythons don't crush their food. They just squeeze tight enough so the animal can't breathe. Once their dinner is still, the python swallows it whole. Head first. That's right. No chewing here. After such a big meal, pythons don't need to eat for weeks, or even months. They find a cozy spot and just chill out. It's like eating a giant pizza and not being hungry for a month. Time to talk about baby pythons. Mama pythons lay eggs and keep them warm by curling around them. She's a very protective mom. When the babies hatch, they're ready to live on their own from day one. Pythons aren't just land animals. They can climb trees and even swim really well. They use their strong muscles to glide through the water like pros. These hunters are usually nocturnal, which means they are most active at night. Their eyes help them see in the dark, and they use special heat sensors to detect warm-blooded animals. Many pythons live in the wild, but some are rescued and live in sanctuaries or zoos, where people can learn about them. It's important not to keep pythons as pets unless you are an expert. They need a lot of care and space. Wasn't that a super cool adventure? Thanks for joining us, explorers. If you loved learning about pythons, give us a thumbs up, share this video for more amazing animal tales. See you next time.